Hello everyone, welcome. Here I am at Creekside Landing. These are exclusive courtyard villa homes. These are high-end homes located within walking distance of Lake Sumter Landing. And for those that watch my channel, I publish videos about homes in the southern part of the villages near Eastport. This would be equivalent to the village of LaGrange or the village of Lakeview. These homes are walking distance to the town square. And these homes generally sell shortly after they're listed. I will take you to an open home. It is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa type home. And for those new to the channel, a courtyard villa will have privacy walls in the backyard and the side yard. A lot of people who have pets like to own these homes. A lot of these homes will have maintenance-free landscaping. I am turning on Van Patten Place. I want to give you a tour of the neighborhood, let you know what this exclusive neighborhood looks like. And we will have an open house right here. There's the home that is going to be listed for sale. It looks to me like it's a 1.5 car garage. Looks in good condition. Let's go inside and take a look. And here I am standing at 1131 Southern Sun Drive in the exclusive Cabanas at Creekside Landing neighborhood. And we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom courtyard villa. It does have a 1.5 car garage, and that roof was put on in the year 2025. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. My name is Tim. What do you say we go inside this exclusive neighborhood located a stone's throw away from Lake Sumter Landing, which is located right over there. And the back of the home does face north, and that is facing east. And Lake Sumter Landing is probably a 5 or 6 minute walk, 2 or 3 minute golf car ride from this neighborhood. This is going to be very similar to the village of LaGrange in the south, or the village of Water's Edge, or the village of Lakeview. And this is panning the street to the west. Very exclusive neighborhood. You can see the concrete work is great. And as always, friends, see Anne Marie Price with Realty Executives if you have questions about this home. You do see it has the stone landscaping, maintenance-free stone landscaping on this home. That will be the gate that leads into the backyard, and I'll show you that a little bit later. It does have a 1.5 car garage. You can see this home seems to be in excellent condition. This is the front entry area. It does have an entry door with 2 glass windows in it. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am standing in the foyer area. The first thing I notice is the beautiful tile floors. It is a U-shaped kitchen straight ahead. It has knockdown textured ceilings. It has an orange peel textured on the wall. Off to the left is that garage. Let's go into the garage spaces. It is a 1.5 car garage. It does have a water softening system right there in the corner. If you watch my videos, you know that they're very expensive to install. Here in Florida, it does have a sink in the corner. That's your hot water heater right there as well. That is your air handler. It does have the laundry in the garage space. You can put a large to mid-size SUV on this side and a golf car on that side. Let's continue the journey inside the home in the kitchen space. This is the kitchen with the tile floors and has an electric stove, recessed lighting, and it has a 2-bowl sink It is a Kohler sink. That's some of the best sinks you can buy, in my opinion. It does have a pantry area with raised panel bifold doors. That's your kitchen pantry. This is a better look at your kitchen cabinets. Let's take a look at what the kitchen drawers look like. These are the drawers right there. Stainless appliances, and this is what it looks like. It does have Formica countertops. Let's take a view of the spec sheet. This home is list price for $419,900. It was built in the year 2008, located at 1131 Southern Sun Drive. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, cabana style home. 1,138 square feet of heated area. It's right next to Lake Sumter Landing. The roof was put on in the year 2025. It has a bond balance of $9,828. There are your room dimensions. It has luxury vinyl in the bedroom, one and primary bedroom as well. Ceramic tile in the other bedrooms. There is your living area. Please contact the listing agent if you have any questions about this home. Classic courtyard villa look, very high ceilings, knockdown texture, tile floors extend into that. Dining and living space, I do like that. That is a side patio. That is classic courtyard villa look. It has a lot of concrete off to the side. This is the living space. That is going to be a guest bedroom and a guest bathroom. You do have the primary bedroom in the back of the home. You do have an enclosed lanai facing north. Let's go inside this guest area. I do notice that it has a linen closet off to the left. This is the guest bathroom. Tile floors, laminate countertops, has chrome fixtures. That is a tub in shower module that is either plastic or fiberglass. It does have a commode space. It's a better look at your vanity. This is your linen closet in the hallway. Very large linen closet. And then in the front of the home, you do have a guest bedroom. It has luxury vinyl flooring. It is a plank flooring. That appears to be a queen size bed to give you perspective. Very high ceilings. In this home, it has shades. It has raised panel bifold doors on the closet. This home is very clean. Let's take a walk back into this living space. Panning to the back of the home, that's your lanai facing north. This is your dining space and your kitchen space. Let's take a walk into the primary bedroom. This is located in the back of the home. Again, it has luxury vinyl plank flooring. There is a throw carpet over the top of that. That's a king-size bed to give you perspective. Very high ceilings with knockdown texture. And you have a sliding patio door off into the lanai space. Very light and bright. Lots of windows in this home. This is another look from the corner of the bedroom. It has a walk-in closet. Again, the luxury vinyl floors continue in the walk-in closet. Very high ceilings in here. And then you have the primary bathroom with tile floors. That is your vanity. Has laminate countertop. Very high ceilings. One sink. There's your commode space right there. Has a vent fan. There is your shower. It is a tiled shower with a light above it. And there is the shower. A light tan colored tile on the floor and on the surround. That's your tile shower surround. Raised panel doors. Let's take a walk to the back of this home. We'll look at the lanai. It is facing north. If you watch my videos, friends, you do know that I prefer either a north or an east-facing lanai. You should have plenty of shade in this home. I am videoing this early afternoon, and you can see the shade back here. It does have sunshades on the west side. Take a look at this lanai ceiling fan. This is your backyard. It does have a concrete privacy wall in the back. Lots of concrete. You can put a barbecue grill out here. It does have maintenance-free stone landscaping. That's a Robolini palm tree. Everybody in the villages loves the Robolini palms. That's because they're smaller and they're easier to maintain. There is the side patio. Lots of concrete. You can store things out here. You can entertain guests out here. Let's take a walk and look at that Carrier air conditioning unit. This home was built in the year 2008. The roof was put on in 2025. I love the location. If you're looking for a convenient location to Lake Sumter Landing, you can walk to the town square if you wanted to. 2-minute golf cart ride. You have a brand new Aldi's grocery store at Lake Sumter Landing. You can do most of your shopping at Aldi's. And you can do most of your entertaining at the town square. This home might be for you. Let's continue the journey throughout this home. This home is list price $419,900. It is located at Creekside Landing. That is a very desirable location. District number 8, if you're interested in looking up the bond information or anything like that. Let's continue the journey outside of the home. As I exit the home, I do like this location. This is an awesome location. As always, if you're interested in this home or any questions, contact Anne Marie Price with Realty Executives in the Villages. You will not be disappointed in this home, in this neighborhood. Very convenient. If you want to live very close to a town square, this will be the neighborhood for you. So that is your video for today. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, courtyard villa in the Creekside Landing neighborhood next to Lake Sumter. List price $419,900. Have a good one. Take care and stay safe, everyone.